Hello students, welcome to my channel. Now exams are approaching. UGC NTA NET is one of them. You know the difficulty level of this exam, but if you have good command on the concepts of the syllabus and if you have good preparation for paper 1, you can crack this exam with ease. You should have the proper revision strategies and proper practice plan for cracking this exam. In this video, I am going to conduct quick revision through quiz. The topic teaching aptitude. Because MCQs are best way for doing the practice with ease and with perfection. If you are new on my channel or didn't subscribe my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button, click the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my new videos. My channel also provides study materials for UGC and TNET Paper 2 Political Science and the study materials for other competitive exams. Be with this video till the end. Let us start the practice with the first question. Attitudes, values and interests are reflected by. Options are given here. Within the time you have to choose the correct option. The correct option is affective domain. Which of the following can be cited as an example of cognitive domain? The correct option is describe a specific topic. Teaching is based upon the mastery of knowledge of concept, teaching skills, decision making skills, all the above. All the above. Because knowledge of concepts, teaching skills, decision making skills, all are involved in teaching. Teaching will be effective if the teacher. Options are given here. You have to select the correct option. Starts from what students know already. If any teacher starts from what students know already, it will create motivation in students and students will learn further thing enthusiastically. An effective teacher will ensure options are given. You have to select the correct option and you have to see the preparation status. The correct option is competition or cooperation as the situation demands. A good teacher always encourages his or her students or learner for competition or cooperation according to the situation's demand. Integral education concept is propounded by. Options are Swami Vivekananda, Mahatma Gandhi, Sri Aurobindo, Swami Dayanand. The correct option is Sri Aurobindo. Micro teaching is more effective. Options are given here. You have to select the correct option. The correct option is during preparation for teaching practice. During B.Ed course and other teachers training course, this type of teaching practice is done. Which of the following university was the pioneer in micro teaching concept started in? Options are JNU University, Oxford University, Stanford University, Delhi University. The correct option is Stanford University. This micro teaching practice or concept of micro teaching was started in Stanford University. In education, John Dewey stressed on options are rote learning, authoritarian teaching method, learning by doing, none of the above. The correct option is learning by doing. Learning by doing is the best method of education. Through this method, a learner can learn with ease. Symposium is a type of? The correct option is discussion method, because symposium means debate or meeting. Debate or meeting will be done in the discussion method. A teacher performs practically and explains in? Demonstration method. In demonstration method, teacher can perform practically and explains. Which is not the mode of CAI? The correct option is question mode. Question mode is not the mode of CAI. What is the full form of CAI? Computer Assisted Instructions. Which of the following methods of communication is the most effective? Now you have to select the most effective communication method. What is the correct option? The correct option is it is difficult to generalize and depends upon the situation. Use of telecast materials felicitates. Options are given here. Which is the correct one? The correct one is all the above, because use of telecast materials felicitates to reach large number of people, better retention of topic taught, better concentration and learning. Which combination of teaching methods listed below would encourage the learner-centered paradigm? Project and direct experience. Project and direct experience method is the combination of teaching method encourage the learner-centered paradigm. Why do teachers use teaching instructional facilities? To teach within the understanding level of students. It is mandatory for every teacher that teachers should teach within the understanding level of students. Which of the following belongs to a projected instructional facilities? The correct option is epidioscope. The most appropriate meaning of learning is? Modification of behavior. If learner's behavior is modified, this means teacher is success. The psychological aspects of the classroom are best managed by? Options are given. Which is the correct one? The correct one is the class teacher. Students can be classified into 4 types on the basis of their learning. Which one of the following seeks meaning and reasoning to the learning? Analytic learner. An analytic learner seeks meaning and reasoning to the learning. Intuitive thinking is part of the process of discovery. Individual differences in learning process are given the least importance in? Idealism. Morphographs is the term associated with corrective spelling. The taking in of new information is termed as assimilation. The ability of an individual to think about one's own thought processes, self-monitor and modify one's learning strategies as necessary is termed as metacognition. In metacognition, a learner can think about his or her own thought processes. He or she can self-monitor and modify his or her own learning strategies. The memory that refers to our memory of meaningful facts, rules, definitions, concepts and principles is termed as, options are given here. Which is the correct option? The correct option is semantic memory. Semantic memory refers to our memory of meaningful facts, rules, definitions, concepts and principles. An individual's awareness of his or her own memory processes and the ways in which storage and retrieval of information can be enhanced is termed as meta memory. The most important aspect of communication, which is listening, can be improved by enhancing voice effectiveness and impressiveness. Through this, the listening can be improved. Listening to a lecture is basically, options are given, which is the correct option, select correct option. Evaluative listening. According to Francis Gallen, heredity does not go to immediate parents but to remote ancestors. Only 50% of the heredity is due to, options are parents, grandparents, great-grandparents, none of the above. The correct option is parents. A student helps a teacher to solve the problem during the course of lecture in classroom. He is an evaluative listener. An evaluative listener can help a teacher to solve the problem during the course of lecture in classroom. Which one of the following is a product of learning? Skills, maturation, memory, intelligence. The correct option is skills. Skills is a product of learning. When a person listens and attempts to understand the other person's viewpoint, it can be termed as, the answer is empathetic listening. Through this type of listening, a person can listen and attempt to understand the other person's viewpoint. The ability to locate, evaluate, and effectively use information is an important trait known as selective attention. Through selective attention, one can locate, evaluate, and effectively use information. The best approach to motivate students is by the correct option is providing them proper guidance. Through providing them proper guidance, a teacher can optimize the motivation level of the students. How the students should be motivated to get success in life. Intensive study. Through intensive study, a student can motivate to get success in life. The best remedy of a student's problems related with learning is diagnostic teaching. Who among the following is described as father of psychoanalysis? The answer is Sigmund Freud. The main proponent of the cognitive theory of teaching is Anal Gaze. Planning or arranging the student's environment in order to predict the consequences of a student's behavior is referred to as stimulus control. Which aspect of evaluation is used when a teacher ensures that students complete an exercise in mathematics and also makes sure that instructions are clear and specific? The answer is validity. A teacher used the following statement to change the behavior of a student who was a smoker. Smoking is healthy for the nation. This is an example of cognitive dissonance. Which of the following is not a product of learning? Answer is maturation. Maturation is not the product of learning. The best way to react to a wrong answer given by a student is the correct option is to explain why the answer is wrong. If the students do not understand what is taught in the class, the teacher should teach the lesson again, citing suitable examples. Through suitable examples, a teacher can make his or her student understand about the difficult topic. Which of the following teacher can be identified with authoritarian teaching style? Direct instruction teacher. Which process of communication is the best for controlling noise in a classroom? Remaining calm and just looking at the students. Through this process of communication, a teacher can control the class in an easy way. Which of the following should a teacher adopt in a lecture? Precise and high tone. With a specific reference to classroom environment, all except one of the major components of listening is answering. A teacher asks the questions in the class to attract students' attention. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.